Welcome to ILC Dover. We are a global company that helps to bring life-saving drugs to market safely and efficiently. Our biopharmaceutical solutions are suitable for all vaccines, recombinant proteins, antibody drug conjugates, and cell therapy manufacturers. ILC Dover has a global footprint of more than 2,200 employees, with more than 10 regional manufacturing locations to deliver best-in-class lead times. All our facilities are compliant with their required CGMP, FDA, ISO 9001, and ISO 13485 standards. Single-use powder containment and processing. ILC Dover's single-use powder containment solutions are based on our Armorflex family of films, which are custom formulated, slip agent-free, anti-static, and regulatory approved. Our market-leading Easy BioPack features our unique 3D design and open-top loading for easy weighting and dispensing to improve your charging operations. PowderFlow CB features an alternative 2D bag design, which is both cost-effective and easy to incorporate into your existing workflow. It can provide OEL of less than 1 microgram per cubic meter based on your application requirement. ILC Dover's suite of powder processing systems are suitable for your media and buffer preparations. JetBreaker effectively reduces powder lumps in a single step into flowable granules and is available to connect to any process step seamlessly. JetMixer allows for rapid and effective mixing with its patented Venturi nozzle design for any powder-to-powder or powder-to-liquid formulations. Our integrated pack-off station is also suitable for all types of powder parameters with CIP/SIP compliance and ATEX certification. Fluid handling systems. ILC Dover's fluid handling solutions offer superior performance and a high degree of customization based on industry-accepted standards. Our single-use liquid bags are made with the industry-recognized Renolit 9101 film, unique design to reduce leaks and product retention. Our standard sizes are available from 50 milliliters to 200 liters. Our fluid transfer assemblies adopt an open architecture model that supports our users' design requirements. We offer a shorter lead time and fast turnaround thanks to our expansive component library. Our tubing and component parts are built in-house with quality raw materials to provide you assurance in terms of material supply. CGMP chemicals. ILC Dover's CGMP portfolio provides a secondary source for your raw materials, buffers, culture media, and excipients. CGMP Dry Chemicals and Trusted Weights provides custom bulk chemical packaging with high-purity raw materials and ready-to-use configurations to streamline your workflow and reduce costs. CGMP Prepacked Liquids and Hydration Services allows users to further optimize product flow and recovery rates with a variety of packaging configurations such as bottles, pails, and liquid bags. Single-use flexible isolators. ILC Dover specializes in a variety of flexible containment isolators that are built for safety, efficiency, and ergonomics. Our quick delivery solutions can meet FDA standards and accommodate CGMP regulations. Solo ADC is our highest performing isolator for proven nanogram level containment, specially designed for ADC bioconjugation. Its weighing and dispensing operation comes with multiple air handling options that reduces cost and time needed for cleaning validation. Solo Pure Flexible Aseptic Isolator is a cost-effective, closed-barrier system for sterile process that requires a Grade A aseptic environment. It can be customized with a single-use, gamma-irradiated chamber for further risk reduction. PEPA Powered Air Purifying Respirator Systems. ILC Dover's personal protective equipment has been mitigating diseases, pathogens, and chemical risk for over 30 years in various industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, infectious diseases, and seaborne applications. Sentinel XT Clear is NIOSH approved, PEPA specific for manufacturing processes. It offers a unique 320-degree view, which is the widest in the market, with 33% greater airflow versus industry standard and can be adopted to various applications. ILC Dover provides comprehensive solutions for both upstream and downstream biopharmaceutical manufacturing. Our offerings such as single-use powder containment and processing, fluid handling systems, cGMP chemicals, single-use flexible isolators, and PEPA systems cover everything from media and buffer preparation to cell separation, purification, and post-viral activities such as fill-finish processes. At ILC Dover, we are committed to providing our users with the most innovative and reliable biopharmaceutical manufacturing solutions at every step of the way. Partner with us now.